Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning easily, full guide. Start by mastering core math topics like linear algebra, probability, and basic calculus, then learn Python and one library. Practice by re-implementing simple algorithms and gradually combine skills into projects. Use focused, short study sessions and iterate on small models often, tracking progress and refining weak spots for steady improvement and confidence. Set up a consistent practice loop that moves from data cleaning to modeling and evaluation. Start with small, well-known datasets, then try simple models and progressively increase complexity. Track experiments, tweak hyperparameters like learning rate and batch size, and compare results to understand behavior. Treat errors as data about your process, and repeat short cycles to build intuition and practical skills without feeling overwhelmed. Choose one structured resource and pair it with hands-on coding to balance theory and practice. Supplement with concise articles and short tutorial videos that explain tricky topics in plain language. Participate in forums or study groups to ask specific questions and get feedback on projects. Regularly revisit concepts you find hard and apply them in tiny experiments so ideas stick and confidence grows steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.